Hello everyone and welcome back to this new lecture. Let's draw a window on one of our houses facade. Draw a guideline from one edge to the midpoint of the face. Then draw a rectangle at an appropriate height. Divide it into 4 parts and offset each part. Once you offset a surface, you can double-click on another surface to use the same one. You can customize each of these steps according to your choice. Once the frame is completed, select it without the inner surfaces and move it along the guideline. Move it from the center of the frame to avoid difficulties. Sometimes errors occur during moving, so we need to fix these errors along the way. 2 of our surfaces are missing. We can make them by using the rectangle tool. Now we have to push-pull these surfaces. The bottom window has some errors which we'll see after making the complete model. Following the same steps, we'll make windows on the long side of the house. Draw 2 guidelines parallel to the edges to locate the midpoint of the surface. Draw a rectangle to make the window frame. Divide it into 4 parts and apply an offset to each part. Then use a push-pull tool to edit it. Now that we've made our windows, we'll be making the house's chimney. Draw a line parallel to the blue axis started from the surface of the roof. Then draw a line parallel to the green axis. You might face some problems whilst drawing the line because of the surfaces. This usually happens when we lock our line along our axis and there are surfaces and objects around. Our line is automatically snapped to one of those points. So we'll unlock our line and complete it. Then we'll draw a vertical line to join the roof and then complete the surface of our chimney. Once the surface is created, use the push-pull tool to have an appropriate width. If you want to create a hollow chimney, for example, then you can apply an offset to it. After applying the offset, push the surface down so that the chimney looks hollow. In the next lecture, we'll complete our model and check for errors. Until then, that's a wrap from me today. I'll see you soon.